XRP ETFs have attracted $586 million in inflows while somehow failing to trigger the expected price surge. But one analyst has discovered a hidden pattern that suggests a major explosion is building beneath the surface. The numbers tell a confusing story. Despite 4-spot XRP ETFs now trading, including recent launches from Grayscale and Franklin Templeton on November 24th, XRP's price continued sliding with the broader market after their debut. The cumulative $586 million in net inflows even surpassed the total of all 6 Solana ETFs. Yet price action remained disappointing. But here's what analyst and game designer Chad Steingraber noticed that others missed. He observed that during U.S. ETF trading hours from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, XRP's price consistently shows strength. When the Crypto Basic investigated this claim, they found compelling evidence supporting Steingraber's observation. Therefore, let's examine the specific data. Yesterday, XRP dropped from $2.08 to $2.06 from 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated. However, once U.S. trading began at 2:30 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated, the price recovered dramatically, soaring from $2.07 to a peak of $2.285 by 8:30 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated. This represented a 10.39% increase within exactly 7 hours of U.S. market operation. The pattern became even more revealing after U.S. trading closed. The rally immediately met resistance, and prices began consolidating, with XRP holding around $2.24 rather than continuing upward. This suggests institutional buying pressure during market hours that dissipates when traditional markets close. But Steingraber sees this as the foundation for something much larger. He suggests these mild price surges during trading hours could help build up momentum toward an explosive price surge from XRP over the next few months. He specifically stated this builds up momentum and a narrative for a full price explosion in a few months or less. Therefore, we're potentially witnessing a slow institutional accumulation phase rather than the dramatic retail-driven surge many expected. Steingraber believes XRP ETFs could act as vehicles for increasing XRP's value for global utility and liquidity access, with the real impact materializing in coming months as institutional positioning reaches critical mass.